Magnitude of an angle. The magnitude of an angle is the amount of rotation through which one of the arms must be rotated about the vertex to bring it to the position of the other. Angle as rotation of a ray. Suppose a ray after starting from its initial position, ray OA, rotates about the point O and takes a final position, ray OB. Then we say that an angle AOB has been described by the rotating ray with O as vertex and OA and OB as its arms. Comparing two angles. We can compare any two angles by the following methods. By observation. We can compare the two angles simply by looking at them. The more is the opening between two arms, the greater will be the magnitude of an angle and vice versa. In the given figures, angle PQR is greater than angle ABC because the opening between the arms of angle PQR is greater than the opening between the arms of angle ABC. By using tracing paper, let us compare two angles, angle DEF and angle ABC, by using tracing paper. We first trace the angle ABC on tracing paper and then place the traced angle ABC on angle DEF such that the point B coincides point E and ray BC overlaps ray EF. Now, there can be three possibilities. If ray AB lies beyond the ray BD, then angle ABC is greater than angle DEF. If ray AB lies between the arms of angle DEF, then angle ABC is less than angle DEF. If ray AB coincides with the ray DE, then angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Different angles formed by rotation of the ray. Let us understand different angles by using a clock. Zero angle. When the clock shows the time 12 noon or 12 midnight, the angle formed between its two arms, that is rays, is zero angle. Complete angle. The needle of the clock shown alongside takes a complete turn along a circular path. After taking a complete round, it comes back to 12 again. The angle formed by this complete turn is called the complete angle. This angle is equal to 360 degrees. Remember, an angle measures the amount of turn or rotation of one ray with respect to the other. The lengths of the fixed and moving rays do not affect the size of the angle formed by them. Remember, one complete turn along a circular path is called one revolution in a clock. The hour hand completes one revolution from 12 noon to 12 midnight, forming a complete angle. The angle formed by one revolution along a circular path is equal to 360 degrees. In fact, when you draw a circle, you make an angle of 360 degrees. Right angle. An angle that measures exactly 90 degrees is called the right angle. A right angle is formed when the clock shows time as 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. Remember, the standard unit for measuring an angle is degree, denoted by straight angle. As we know, while drawing a circle, we make a complete angle of 360 degrees.
If we draw half a circle, then the angle made would be 180 degrees, which is known as straight angle.
We can also define the straight angle as half revolution. Every 30 minutes, the minute hand of a clock turns by one straight angle. The angle between the hands of a clock at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. is straight angle. Straight angle is of 180 degrees. Remember, an angle measures the amount of turn or rotation of one ray with respect to the other. The lengths of the fixed and moving rays do not affect the size of the angle formed by them. Remember, One complete turn along a circular path is called one revolution in a clock. The hour hand completes one revolution from 12 noon to 12 midnight, forming a complete angle. The angle formed by one revolution along a circular path is equal to kinds of angles. Acute angle, an angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. In the given figure, angle AOB is an acute angle. Obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. In the given figure, angle PQR is an obtuse angle. Reflex angle, an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. In the given figure, angle LMN is a reflex angle. Example 1. What fraction of a revolution clockwise does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from A. 3 to 6, B. 12 to 6? Solution. If the hour hand starts from 3 and stops at 6, then it covers 1/4 revolution or 1 right angle. B. If the hour hand starts from 12 and stops at 6, then it covers 1/2 revolution or 2 right angles.